In a tragic turn of events, an Azerbaijani airliner crashed on Wednesday, December 25, 2024, while attempting to land in Kazakhstan, claiming the lives of 38 people. The incident has sparked international concern, with fresh allegations pointing to an external weapon as the cause. Survivors describe chaos. The ill-fated flight, en route from Baku, Azerbaijan's capital, to Grozny, the capital of Russia's Chechen Republic, deviated towards Kazakhstan before crashing. Remarkably, 29 passengers survived the crash, some recounting chilling moments on board. "We heard loud noises as the plane circled over Grozny," one survivor told Azerbaijani media, painting a harrowing picture of the moments before impact. On Saturday, Russian President Vladimir Putin extended a rare apology to Azerbaijani President Ilham Aliyev, calling the crash a tragic incident. According to a Kremlin statement, Putin expressed regret for the event, which occurred in Russian airspace,